Have you ever wanted to spend your crypto like regular money online? Today, I will show you how you can convert USDT and Bitcoin into a virtual USD Visa Card using spend.net. Even better, this card is free to create and gives you 1% cashback on every purchase. Let's dive in. What is spend.net? Spend.net is a financial platform that provides a virtual USD payment card. These are virtual and MasterCard compatible cards designed for online payment worldwide. The biggest advantage is simple. You earn while you spend because every eligible purchase automatically gives you 1% cashback. Creating the card is completely free. However, there is one important thing you should know. Although your card is created immediately, the full card details, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV, only become visible after you add funds to your account balance. This helps ensure secure activation before you start using the card. And how to fund your card? You can fund your account using the USDT or the BTC, right? So after your balance is funded, your card detail become available and your virtual card is ready for online payment. Where can you use this card? The spend.net virtual USD card works worldwide. You can use it to pay for Adobe Photoshop and other subscription, purchase apps from app stores, shop on AliExpress, shop on eBay, book hotels and accommodations, pay for AI services, and make many other online purchases wherever Visa or MasterCard payments are accepted. Every eligible purchase earns you 1% cashback automatically. Each visual card includes card number, expiry date, CVV code. For additional protection, the card supports 3D secure technology, helping make online payment more secure. The cards are issued by US banks and currently support payment in US dollars. And registration is very simple. To register, you click on sign up. You can register with your Google or simply sign up with your email. And issue a card only requires following the screen instruction and complete the basic identity verification process. Inside your dashboard here, you can issue multiple cards with just one click, right? So here you can see spend card advertisement, right? So it depends the type of card you want to issue, right? There are no limit on the number of cards you can create, right? Spend.net also keep fees simple, right? The platform offers 0% transaction fees, 0% decline fees, 0% currency exchange fees, 0% refund fees, 0% also withdrawal, right? So account top-ups of $50 or more are also free, while similar top-ups may include a small service fees. If you ever need assistance, customer support is available 24 hours a day through live chat, right? So if you're looking for a simple way to convert USDT or Bitcoin into a virtual USD card for worldwide online payment while earning 1% cashback on every purchase, spend.net is definitely worth checking out. If you would like to get started, use the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.